Hey everybody, what is going on? So Sean here with Zero to Income, and on the video that we did a couple of days ago, we talked about how to kind of fix some issues you might have with mobile when you have things that are stacking wrong. And I want to follow up on that video and add another kind of component to that, and that this is where you might have images in certain places on your desktop, and then when you go and view them on mobile, it just doesn't look right. So this is one of the free templates that you can get from System. And what I want to show you first is when you go down here and look at this right here is, okay, looking good, right? Now, when we go and click on mobile and we go and take a look at it, scroll down here. Again, that looks good, right? We're happy with that. But when you scroll up here to this one, they did have this fixed, and I purposely broke it to fix this. But if you look at this, it looks kind of weird to have this read more above the image. And then if you scroll down here, you got the image, our mission, unforgettable atmosphere. And it's like, well, hey, how do I get this up here to look like this, right? So if we go up here and we click into the section here, see we're in this whole row that contains all of these elements. Now if you go down here, we have this reverse row columns on mobile devices. Okay, and what that will oftentimes do is it'll take and pop the picture up into the top so that it makes sense. Okay, so when you scroll down, now it's got the same format as the one down below. All right, so that's just a trick when you're working with stuff and it's like, hey, I've got this element here, my picture's here, but then when I go to mobile, it just looks broke. Well, one of the ways of fixing that, again, go into this section, scroll down, and check the box for reverse row columns on mobile devices. So that there is a little trick that you'll want to keep in mind when you're doing your mobile layouts and you're seeing, hey, images aren't showing up where they need to show up on mobile. How do I fix that? And so that's one of the ways of fixing it. So if you're enjoying these System.io videos, we do have a whole playlist on System.io. So go check it out. Thanks for watching.